Soldier boy, tell him. Guys, welcome back. It is Super Bowl week. I have another very easy recipe for you guys. The whole point of this week is to make easy food for a lot of people. It's all about feeding them. Feed the people, feed the people, feed the people. On today's episode, we're gonna make ham and Swiss honey pull-aparts. Let's get cooking.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.
Okay, so what is a ham and cheese pull-apart bite? I don't really know, but I do know that it tastes really good. What you're gonna need. I have some deli ham here. It's important, when you're getting ham, don't buy the pre-packaged stuff. Go to your deli, have them slice it. It's always better. It's always better. It's noticeably better. Same with cheese too. I have some provolone cheese here. I think I said Swiss in the intro. I'm using provolone. If you wanna use Swiss, use some Swiss, but get it sliced by the deli. Okay, next thing you're gonna need, some good Dijon mustard, some mayonnaise, those are our condiments for the sandwich. And then, to make the little sauce that goes with everything, some honey, some Worcestershire sauce, and a little bit of butter. That's it. First thing is first, we're gonna get a pan on the hob, get that on medium-high heat, and get a little butter in there, about 2 tablespoons. And then you're gonna need buns. I'm using King Sweet Hawaiian, again, just like those sliders we made yesterday. They work great because they're all intact. Same concept, we're gonna slice down, bake it all as one. Butter's melted in the pan. Now we're gonna go in with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey, and then just a few dashes of Worcestershire sauce. Next thing you do, you take your deli ham, get it right in that sauce, boom. Give it a swirl. I'm gonna go with just a little more honey on top, just for good measure. And why not, a little bit more Worcestershire. You know the show by now, it's not the most scientific measurement studied show. You just make sure it looks right, it feels right, it tastes right, it smells right. That's what we use to cook in this kitchen. While that's just melding, soaking up the glaze, getting the honey on it, we can move on to our bread. Pull your layers apart. Back in the day, I had a friend who would eat these in the cafeteria, and he would just it would get smushed in his backpack, and he'd pull it out, and his ham sandwiches would be like this big. His name was Tom Coop. On one side, we're gonna go and just spread some mayonnaise, and then same thing with your Dijon mustard. All right, once you got your mustard and your mayonnaise, we just gotta layer it up, and we'll brush some more of that honey on the top right at the end. All right, and then this remaining liquid. Look, we have a lot more liquid in here. So now we can turn this up to high, let that reduce. That's almost all the way reduced to the glaze we need. 30 more seconds, so I'm just gonna do some fresh black pepper, cracked right on top of the ham. We'll come in here, look at that, just bubbling, and just paint a little bit more on. That's what I'm talking about. Now we just layer on our cheese. You can use any cheese you want. I'm using provolone, but if you want to use Swiss, Munster, pepper jack, whatever floats your boat, whatever fancies your pants, as they say. We close it up, we seal it, we say so long. Now, this is where you don't want to fuck up. So I'm gonna grab, I should have done it in the tray. Wasn't thinking. This is like, remember Epic Mealtime? This is like that bullshit. 1, 2, 3. Foil. That's why I cook and don't play football. We're gonna bake this at 350, 10, 12 minutes, or until the cheese melts, whatever comes first. Pop that in, we say goodbye, we say see you later. We'll be right back. It's been about 10 minutes, maybe 15. Let's just give these a peek. Oh, yep. Let's just pull these apart. Wow, fucking hot. Oh, hot, it's so hot. There we go, look at that. That's a coupe, dude. That's a little smush, that is a coupe. I kind of palmed those. I was too excited. There we go, those are better. Look at that. Look, it might not look the prettiest, but you just made food for 24 people in under 24 minutes, just like the last episode. This week's not about beauty. The Super Bowl's not about looking nice. It's about getting there, winning games, and eating food. And that's what we just did here tonight. Let's have a bite of this. Little ham honey Swiss, woo! That'll do. Put it out there, little finger food as you're walking in. Everyone grabs a sandwich. You get the next course going, you get the dips going, you bang them out, boom, 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 boom. Next thing you know, game's over, food's done. What a success. Guys, see you tomorrow for another recipe. I'm Donnie. Peace. Here we go, Rob.